Hey everyone! Today, I'm incredibly excited to unveil a game changer for all digital enthusiasts out there. Allow me to introduce you to the prompts to create Notion-inspired illustrations. Ever gazed at the clean, elegant aesthetics of the Notion app and thought, I wish I could create something like that? Well, now you can, and it's all thanks to the marvels of advanced AI image generator called Midjourney. Craft sophisticated black and white or black and gray illustrations. This guide is packed with meticulously curated prompts tailored precisely for AI tools like Midjourney. Whether you're a web designer or just someone who loves adaptable art, these illustrations can transition smoothly into SVG files. Think about the possibilities. Now, let's jump right into the nitty-gritty of structuring these prompts. Oh, and if you're thinking, I need more, I've got a treat for you. Dive deeper into the world of AI-generated illustrations with my ebook. Packed with prompt ideas, golden nuggets of guidance, and tips to elevate your designs, it's a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Head over to the Cosmic Curiosities on Etsy.com to snag your copy. And hey, if you found this sneak peek helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI artistry wonders. Let's embrace minimalism together.